love, so today we're going to do a ShopMissA haul. It's not a ton of stuff, but it's quite a bit, especially because everything's $1. Yeah, so if you guys don't know what ShopMissA is, it is a website where they have a bunch of accessories. They have makeup, they have false lashes. It's my favorite place to order false lashes because they're only $1 each and they are actually really good. They can be hit or miss, but when you find good ones, they are good. So I am a fan of ShopMissA. They also just came out with their own brand called AOA Studio, I believe. So a few things in this haul are from them. So I'm really excited to show you what I got. I don't even remember what all I ordered. So it's going to be a surprise to me too. All right, love. So before we get into this haul, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell, ding, so you know when I upload. All right, loves, let's get into it. All right, so first of all, it comes in a pink bag, which is just the cutest. So I'm just going to pull stuff out of here. There's some lashes. I've honestly worn a few pairs of lashes out of here, so they're going to be missing. But I know I ordered doubles, so you'll still see whatever lashes I ordered, if that makes any sense at all. So again, everything is $1. They do have some stuff that's a little more expensive, or you can buy sets. Like they have palettes that are like pre-filled with eyeshadows and blushes and highlighters and stuff. It's crazy. They have so much good stuff on there, and I've actually been really impressed. I feel like in the last year, they've really stepped it up. I have some older videos where I did like a full face of dollar makeup and it was kind of, huh? But I really do like the AOA Studio brand. So the actual brand that is by ShopMissA is really good, especially for the price. Like it might not be mind-blowing, but there's some really good stuff. And it's $1. $1. How many times am I going to say it's $1 in this video? A lot. So just, I apologize. So the first thing, I don't even remember ordering this, but it's cool. This little pouch. Oh, my babies are sleeping in the window. They're so cute. This is a brush cleaner. So it says a dry makeup removing sponge that allows you to remove pigment from your brushes without using water. First of all, I really dig this packaging. So it's like one of those wheels that you just remove color on. Let me see. I probably have, let's try this little brush. I mean, this probably stained the brush. It's been on there for a long time, but we'll see. Obviously, it's pretty cheapy. It's just a little plastic container with a sponge in it, but I can see all of the pigment coming off the brush. This might have been a bad one to use because it's obviously going to be stained as it's had purple sitting on it for like 2 weeks. Because I'm the worst. But I can definitely see that it's lightened. I can definitely see a difference. So that's cool. I'm excited to try this little guy. This will be good for my dupe tutorials where I need to use the same brush so I can clean it off and go on to the next one. We've got some lashes. I have not tried these. I don't remember if these are new, but these are the Natalia lashes. Whoa, please focus, camera. Natalia lashes? Those are pretty. Sorry for the cat hair stuck to the case. They've got like little wispies. Ooh, I have not tried these. These remind me a lot of the Luellas, but these are Amelia's. Maybe I should hold them the right side up so you can read them. Amelia's. Beautiful. Excited to try those. Like these look like really expensive lashes. They have like layers. Hopefully you'll be able to see like the actual layers in the lash. I'm super impressed. That was more Amelia's. Here are some Chloe's. I wore some of these the other day. I really liked them. They're just the spiky style lashes. $1, you guys. These look like lashes that you buy at the drugstore for like at least like $5 or $6. Ooh, I've got a little bag of goodies. So let's see what this is. This order was kind of placed in mind to have another 100% ShopMissA tutorial, but I wanted it to be almost all AOA Studio stuff. So anything I could order from AOA Studio, I did because I do personally believe that that is the best brand on there right now. AOA Studio BB Cream. What color is this? Fair. I got it in fair. They finally had a foundation or BB cream that I felt was light enough for my skin. So I was super excited. I'm going to pop this guy open. Let's swatch it. I feel like it might be a little too orange, but honestly, it's not bad. It feels like it's going to be pretty hydrating. It's very yellow. Not bad at all, honestly, compared to the last one I used, which was not even near my color. Ooh, I got a little brow gel. It's like a fiber brow gel. Ooh, it's got a color. Did I order in a color? I must have. If I did, I'm sure I ordered whatever the taupey shade was. So it looks like. I think I'm gonna like it. It's got a nice tint to it. I picked up some translucent powder. I don't think I need to swatch that for you. I assume it's just very standard packaging with a sifter. It's translucent. What does it say? Soft light. That's the shade. Ooh, they came out with a sculpting brow pencil. I'll open this guy. It's got one of those kind of teardrop shaped pencils. It's a nice shade. Let me show you. It's very cool toned, which I like. very soft. It's like a, is it a taupe? Does it even, it doesn't say on the packaging what color I ordered. I always order a taupe if there's taupe or like a blonde, because obviously my hair is lighter right now. My brows are pretty dark today, but it is what it is. I got a liquid eyeliner. I'll paint my nails at some point, I swear, guys. Oh, it's got a very fine little brush. I hope you can see this. Oh, that is black, you guys. Super excited to try that on my face. Is a lip liner. It's a Wonder lip liner in Faded. I got one of their liquid lips in Faded. I'm not sure it's in one of these boxes. I'll organize this room sometime, guys. I can't wait to film a whole bunch of declutter videos. I'm going to do that probably in a few weeks. I'm going to completely, because I'll have some time to go through everything and get rid of all the stuff I don't need. I'm going to donate it or give it to friends. I'm really excited to do a purge of this room. Ooh, it's pretty. It's pretty. It's that pinky, dusty pinky one right there. Loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it. I got this little set. I don't remember if this was $2. I think it might have been $2.50, but this is a lash primer and a mascara. So it's a 2-in-1 little set. You get your primer, your mascara. I'm pretty excited to try this. I want to see this primer, especially because I'm running out of my little long comb sample. Again, AOA Studio. Pretty much everything I got was from AOA Studio. Oh, it's black. So it's a black lash primer. That's awesome. Pre-lash, and this is the Hyper Lash. So any of the eyeshadows from AOA Studio that I wanted to order were sold out, so I just picked up a few other random ones. This is just a little quad from Amuse. So again, this was $1. This is Mixin 3, item number FK9604, so I don't know, but it's just a little eyeshadow palette. I was just thinking of doing like a smoky eye or something very simple, maybe just like an everyday look. Not bad at all, look at that. Like they're a little powdery. Excuse me, those are quick swatches, like not the most amazing in the world, but those are huge eyeshadow pans. So if you like this, for $1, I was apparently feeling very neutral. This is LA Colors matte eyeshadow. I've got eyeshadow all over my hands. This is just in mattify. That's what that guy looks like. They're almost exactly the same. This one's a little softer. You can't even really see them. I think the other one's going to be a better bet than this guy, but we'll try them. We'll see. Oh, I picked up a blush from Amuse. This looked like a beautiful color. This is Satin Sheets. Anything that I ordered that wasn't from AOA Studio, they either didn't have it or it was sold out. So I was like, I don't know what blush I want to use. And it was $1. So I was like, I'll just try a new one. Which the 702s look a lot like these 805s. So these are the 805s. I love these so much. And then I have another pair of Isabellas. Or excuse me, Isabella. These ones are my absolute favorite. You can see there's like 2 layers of lashes. These are just so voluminous and fluffy. I just love these. I picked up all of their diamond lip glosses. I don't know why. Oh wait, there's more than one thing in here. What's in here? Eyeshadow primer. So I picked up an AOA Studio eyeshadow primer. And then we just have all of these diamond glosses. I plan to do an entire video on these, but let's swatch them right now. Why not? So this is Girl Power. Maybe I'll take them out of the packaging so you can actually see them. How about that? This one is Girl Power. It's kind of a pinky one. These are going to be really hard to see in actual swatches because they are just glitter. So really you're just going to be able to see the reflex. This is like a corally pinky peach. It matches my hair, actually. Glitz, which looks like a white gold. They don't really smell like anything. So that was Girl Power. This one's Glitz. We have a purpley one. This guy is Bubblegum. Right there. You can see the purple. I like the packaging a lot. There's like a matte kind of pink cap, and there's like a little diamond on the packaging. Very cute packaging. What is this? This one is Glam. I don't know if you can see that. It's like a red, and then it like flashes orangey gold. It's hard to tell, I feel like, how glittery they are, but they definitely have glitter. There's not a lot of pigment to them because they're just kind of they're a topper. They're the diamond lip gloss. So you just, maybe I'll put this one on top of what I'm wearing. How about that? I don't feel like it gets enough product on the wand. Hopefully you'll be able to see that a little bit. It's definitely added some shine. So again, this one is Glam. We have a blue one, which is Glacier. Right up top there, the top one. This next one is Posh, and it's like a pink with a green flip. It's the first one down here. I don't know if you can see that green flip. Hopefully you can see it like in the packaging. This one is Pixie. It's like white and blue and pink all at once. Cosmic. Ooh, this looks so beautiful. It's like a lilac. Ooh, I didn't see that coming. It's got like a green flip to it. Can you see? Oh, you can kind of, when it's like going out of focus, you can see the green flip. It's weird. That's pretty. It's a yellow one. What is this? It's like yellowy gold, 24K. Gold. There's the gold. Ooh, right there. Obviously the gold one is the gold. Ooh, this one's corally. Again, matching my hair perfectly. I feel like that first one matched the ends of my hair, and this like matches up here. Yes, girl. This is Hard Candy. It's right next to the gold over here. I really hope you're able to see some of the glitter in these. And I feel like once they dry, they actually look more glittery. Got some mermaid shades left. It's called Mermaid. I didn't even know that. I'm going to swatch it in like a little circle down on my wrist down here. Maybe I should have swatched them all like that. I feel like you can actually see the glitter better. So Mermaid down there. Really light turquoise. Then the last one is Gypsy. It's a dark purple. So pretty. You can kind of just see the glitter gloss on the bottom. So this is Gypsy right there. All right, so those are swatches of all of the diamond lip glosses. I'm pretty sure they're trying to kind of dupe the lime crime ones. The lime crime ones, I've only have one of them, but judging from that one, those have a lot more glitter than these do. These are just kind of, they're a diamond gloss. It makes sense. They're a little bit glittery. They're super shiny. Yeah, I like them though, so we'll see. All right, I think that is everything, loves. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it if you could. Do let me know down in the comments if you want that everything $1 makeup tutorial with all of this ShopMissA stuff. If you want the lip swatch video, what do you guys want to see next? Let me know all of your ideas down below. Also, I really want to do another Q&A, so if you have any questions, leave them down below. Please. Well, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. The AOA life is what it is. Live your life. It's cool. We're good. Okay, so this is the liquid liner. Let's pop it. Oop, I didn't open it all the way. Shannon, get your life together. Get your life together. So, can you believe it? $1. $1. Guess what? This was $1. This was $1. $1. Holla for $1. I like to throw everything on the floor. It's fun to throw things on the floor. You would think that I was doing it right now. Looking at my little shirt with my ruffles, and I can pretend I have my life together. But I don't. I'm covered in glitter.